big hello to all of you and welcome to the felicitation and certificate presentation to the best photographic products in the world and the companies that manufacture them. I am K. Madhavan Pillai, Chief Editor of Better Photography. With me here today is Sridhar Kunte, Deputy Editor Technical of Better Photography, and Badri Narayan, who's the National Sales Head of Better Photography. We are celebrating the TIPA World Awards 2021 winners. Today we are presenting a special certificate to Nikon, easily one of the most well-known names in the world of imaging, with a brilliant lineup of cameras, lenses that can easily stake its claim likewise. Over to you, Sridhar.
The TIPA Awards is the most recognized awards in the world of photography industry. Better Photography is the only member magazine from South Asia among the 26 other magazines worldwide. For this occasion, joining me from Nikon are Mr. Sajjan Kumar. He is a Managing Director, Nikon India. Mr. Jitendra Chugh. He is a Senior Vice President, Imaging, Nikon India. And Mr. Hitoshi Murata, General Manager, Corporate Planning, Nikon India. Thank you for being with us for this occasion. Welcome, you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sridhar. Thank you, Mr. Madhavan and Mr. Badrial. Thank you. We are privileged to be there.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you, gentlemen, and thank you, Sridhar, for the welcome. Nikon really needs no introduction. This is a company that has made path-breaking, path-defining, benchmark-defining, market segment-defining products for the last several, here it comes, not several years, for the last 100 years. Many of these products have won TIPA awards in the past, a recognition achieved only by the world's best products. This year, Nikon has won 3 very significant categories at the TIPA World Awards 2021. The first category is the TIPA World Award 2021 goes to the category Best Full Frame Camera Advanced, and the award goes to Nikon Z6 II. Noted for its impressive low light recording capabilities, native ISO range up to ISO 51200 and fast processing speeds up to 14 FPS for 124 consecutive frames, the 24.5 megapixel Nikon Z6 II also sports numerous creative modes, including multiple exposure, time-lapse, and focus shift bursts. Other features include 4K video up to 60p, Full HD 120 FPS for slow-mo effects, and in-body 5-axis stabilization, among other features. Moving to the second category, the TIPA World Award 2021 for the category Best Full Frame Camera Expert goes to the Nikon Z7 II. The 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and dual XP6 processors of the Nikon Z7 II delivers an impressive 10 frames per second for stills and up to 4K 60p video, including 120p Full HD slow-mo. Dual card slots, one SD and the other CF Express, handle the rather huge data flow. Low light shooting is enhanced by a native ISO that stretches all the way up to ISO 25600 with focus acquisition at -4 EV and built-in 5 EV of stabilization. Eye and face detection AF for both people and animals is available in stills and video. The third TIPA Award 2021 win for Nikon is in the category Best Wide Angle Zoom Lens. And this is a very, very hotly contested category, as the previous 2 categories, of course. And the award goes to the Nikon Z 1424mm f2.8s Nikkor. This Nikkor lens is the smallest and lightest Z version of Nikon's classic and renowned 1424 super wide zoom. It takes full advantage of Nikon's latest lens technology, such as the anti-reflective nano crystal coat and the Arneo coatings on the lens elements, the use of aspherical elements. This is a sharp, precise lens, free from sagittal comma and flare. There is a handy in-lens filter slot, an AF stepping motor that works in silence for quick, quiet video work and quick still shooting as well. A heartfelt congratulations from Better Photography for 3 spectacular wins. with 3 exceptional world's best products in 3 very hotly contested categories. Thank you and congratulations to the Nikon team for outstanding products.
Again, I would like to congratulate Nikon team for winning this product, and especially my special thanks to those who worked behind the scene to make these products possible. And now I would like to request Mr. Sajjan San to speak few words.
Thank you, Mr. Sridhar, and thank you, Mr. Madhvan. We are really privileged to be here today. We appreciate efforts by TIPA and Better Photography. So Nikon has been recognized continuously by TIPA every year, and it's always a proud moment for us. We at Nikon always strive to bring innovation in the camera industry. Winning these awards echoes our efforts and commitments towards reinventing our offering and making it more relevant for our photographers and videographers. This credit goes to Nikon lovers, like especially I will mention our customers, who always push us to stretch us beyond the boundaries, and our engineers who has come out with such a great product, apart from all our team members. Our innovation goes with the Z-mount development in the mirrorless category, the kind of lens distance we have minimum, and we are further exploring possibilities with the Z-mount. The new Z7 II, new Z6 II, as well as Z-Nikkor lenses, which we keep on adding basis of feedback from our customers, are highly appreciated by all the professionals. In our country, I will say professionals are from wedding, fashion, wildlife, or various segments, but we got a great appreciation in stills as well as video making, both with the ease. It's a big motivation and satisfaction in this, I will say, slightly difficult and challenging time. And that's a, you can say, kind of motivational strength for us. And we will continue to serve our customers in the best possible way. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sajjan San, for your words. Thank you for being here with us. Jitendra San and Hitoshi San, thank you for joining us here today as well. It's been an absolute pleasure. Very, very well deserved win indeed. It is our way of, thanking Nikon for producing products such as these, which makes our life so much more interesting and so much more capable. Thank you all for being with us, and thank you to the audience for watching.
Thank you.
Once again,
thank you, Mr. Madhvan. Once again, thank you.
Many congratulations.
Thank you, Nikon team, for joining, and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone from Better Photography. Thank you.